Safe pa talaga ang Slim Tide o isa lang siyang bagong trend na dapat katakutan? Let's be honest, ang daming nagbebenta ngayon online. Pero ang tanong, safe ba talaga yan? Hi, I'm Doc Cathy Pilar, 14 years in the medical field and now focused on aesthetic and health treatment. In this video, sasagutin ko, safe pa talaga ang Slim Tide? Para kanino ito? At kailan ito nagiging delikado? Here's the truth. Slim Tide can be safe if properly administered, medically supervised, and licensed ang product. It helps regulate your appetite and metabolic response, but like any injectable treatment, may tamang dosage, may tamang schedule, at may tamang screening. Nagiging delikado lang siya kapag binili mo online, walang consultation, walang medical supervision, at DIY injection lang siya. Sa Pilar Medical Aesthetic Clinic, we don't skip steps. Full medical assessment, proper history taking, licensed product with doctor supervision, and of course, may follow-up monitoring. Because weight loss is not just about looking good, it's about protecting your overall health. Lesson dito, hindi lahat ng mura ay safe at hindi lahat ng trending ay tama para sa'yo. Kung health ang pinag-uusapan, huwag kang magtipid dahil ang safety ang pinaka-importante because your body is not an experiment. So if you're considering Slim Tide, don't rely on online seller or DIY kits. Book your consultation with us at Pilar Medical Aesthetic Clinic. Let's assess you properly. Let's make sure safe ka from start to finish because beauty and health should always go together. See you at the clinic!